I mean, there's 101 of us in this particular tournament. There we go. Well, it's getting pretty rough out here. Alright, we out here for day 2 of the Yak-A-Bass Lake Folsom 2-day tournament. And needless to say, yesterday was pretty terrible. So we're just gonna go try to catch some fish today, try to catch our limit, see if we can't piece something together. If anything, big fish is still out there. I think the biggest one right now is 20 inches, so it's gonna take more than that to win it today. So we brought some baits today that might do the job, so we'll see. Stay tuned. Alright, I just had to correct myself here. I'm gonna start off with a little mini glide here. Let's see if we can't get a glide spot. On the board. That was slightly easier than yesterday. All right, we got a fish. Thanks, bud. It's a mushy bite too. Give it a little stank. Give it a hot second to air out. Oh, got stuff everywhere. Ooh, this is nasty. Usually after fish get pressured, they'll move from like down here up to like the top of the hump. So I'm gonna do some cranking here. You looking into them? No. I caught one. Around what? Oh, really? And they just weren't biting? I don't know, man. I was. No. It's like 14 some change. You got some kind of, whoa, no way. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, hell yeah. Bro, I love this crankbait. All right. Scotty, stick around here. Good luck. Let's get this done quick for you. Oh, it's all good. We got one. You want that Stoke?
I've never
It's like, that's the dealio.
Yeah, we have a tournament today, so